baby, my Valentine, yeah. Boy, now you're making my temperature rise. If you leave me, I go die. I swear, you are like the oxygen.
Hi guys, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to the Noni M podcast. Today I am wow. Kwakuningi nje, guys. Kwakuningi nje. You know what's so funny is that we were all waiting with our eyes like this for Steyn to come back on the stand to explain. Guess what? There is still no explanation, Gesana. There is still no explanation. Instead, we are being insulted. Our intelligence is being insulted. And the sad part is that the state is busy representing us. They are representing South Africa. But they are busy insulting the same South Africans, our intelligence, as if here. Now, I listened to Steyn and I was like, maybe my comprehension left me. I woke up and I did not have comprehension anymore. What is this? What's going on? Guys, it's embarrassing. It is embarrassing. The state is embarrassing itself, Kesana. The state is busy embarrassing itself there. However, that being said, I love the looks. The looks that the defense is giving, they are so happy. They were like, we are not even going to object in these new facts that are coming through. We are so not objecting. We are not doing anything. We are going to let people be. They must just do what they want to do. Say whatever you want to say. Highlights for me is Steyn. Now, all of a sudden, it's no longer direct calls. It's data calls. Hello. Hi, Steyn. And then he is back talking about the 2-hour situation. Added 2-hour situation. And at the same time, he says actually Vodacom is using real time. Can't you suppose kusetshenziswa which time? Which time is it supposed to be used? Steyn uthini, guys? What's going on there? What on earth? What on earth is Steyn saying? What? Guys, I have never been so confused the way I am right now, right here. I felt insulted. I don't know about you, but my intelligence, Kesana, it feels insulted, Kesan. And as in an because at this point we are still waiting for your explanation. I popi. Your explanation, yona dololo. Ayiko, guys. Mbona ngithule nje. Mara Urata is busy writing there and asking clarification questions, and I do not understand for the one. He's the one that is happy. He is very happy, Kesanu, excited. Urata, they is sitting there very excited. Very excited. It defense is like, 24 feet and 24 feet under. That is what I am like. Jonga, the way Umnisi dealt fast and fast with Urata, I'm sure he's like, wait, mana, oh, ngami. Surasha, please, hold on, hold it. Steyn sounds like the evidence instead, not clarifying anything. No, there's no clarifying of anything there. We are still waiting, Kesan. We are still waiting. Explanation. Dololo. Nifuni explanation who moved the numbers. He kind of insinuated in my mind. Ukuti, it's TSU. TSU is who is the other police department, so it's not him. He hasn't explained how the mistake was made. The so-called mistake. The changes. The fraud. It's not yet explained. It is not yet explained, guys. What is Rata writing? I'm still confused. Why is he writing? What exactly is he writing, guys? Did you see him? Did you see him? He keeps saying, here, the allegations. Hey. Instead, we are getting more confused. Zero yona accountability ne confusion. I mean, accountability ne explanation. Zero. We are not getting it. Kwaze kwanzima emzansi, guys. The explanation ayiko. Steyn is trying to protect himself and everybody that are involved in the situation. Well, the soup Ustain is protecting himself and protecting everyone, but it is 24 feet under, guys. Umnisi did warn them that it's 24 feet under. But bamletha Ustain, because Ustain has not explained over an hour ekhuluma. He still has not explained jack. Hi guys, hi. So, do you want to tell me, according to Baloyi, that's clarification that Steyn is busy doing there? Is that clarification that Steyn is busy doing there? There's a lot of things. I hope the defenses are well put. The IMEI are not corresponding, son. I hope they are aware. I hope they are checking that. I hope they are writing down. Because Sipingoku. Did he say towers are the same on data and the section 205? Did he say that? I was like, una manga. I wonder what was happening in Kimberley in 2014 at the time. The other thing, Kelly was being driven because the data was the one that was working, so Kelly was not traveling alone. Low-key saying that this data from Vodacom is not make sure. That's what he said. The question is, who created an Excel? It's still not answered. Who changed the contact details? It's still not answered. It's still rubbish to say that he knows that when I'm on my cell phone, I'm driving or not. How? Kungena accident or anything to confirm the time of the accident and everything. Hi. Ngishoket mnasana, we are being undermined as South Africans. We are being undermined as South Africans, point blank. Kwa. The justice system also is being undermined, and if they let this go on, hey, in this new era of IT and stuff, they are going to allow this nonsense to happen. A lot is about to go down. A lot is about to go down. I promise you. A lot of injustice is about to go down if this is being allowed to happen and continue like this. Because there's no way. There's no way. Hi, and then believe Ustain. Maraka, guys, in a nutshell, what I can tell you, Ustain has spoken over an hour. We still did not get an explanation. He will come back after, I don't know after when, but Ustain still did not give us a proper feedback and explanation. What is he saying? We can't even comprehend. We are tetaji. Anyway, thank you so much. I'll see you on our next video. Bye bye.
To survive, I'll be on.